Thank you for watching this video. I am still trying to find the best way to show a property. Feedback is welcomed. Please don't forget, we are a small family-run company and we are doing our best to do better always. In the video, we will start with a basic breakdown before we look at the property and area. The offer comprises of two properties. The first has 3 rooms upstairs, one of which is a small storage room. Downstairs also has 3 rooms, one of which is also a small storage room. There are barns and a nice garage and a gated drive. The second house, which can be found at the end of the garden and is at the end of this video, has 3 rooms and a basement. Work is required, but still great value. The offer is €22,000 for 2 houses set on a nearly flat plot of 6,000 square meters. So, there you go, all info in a few seconds. Was that better? You could also let me know if by adding a song that I created is a good addition or not to bother. Welcome to another great opportunity in the heart of rural Bulgaria. If you've been searching for a traditional home surrounded by nature, peace, and scenic beauty, this Bulgarian property for sale in Zahari Stoyanovo Village could be exactly what you've been waiting for. Listed at just €22,000, this is a standout offer for anyone looking to invest in a quieter, slower-paced lifestyle or secure a beautiful, affordable second home in the countryside. This charming property is set gently between rolling hills, where the view stretches out toward green meadows, fields, and distant treetops. It's the kind of location that immediately feels peaceful, where you can hear the wind rustle through the leaves and birdsong replaces traffic noise. There's something about being nestled in the hills that makes you breathe deeper and relax a little more. The property itself is built in a traditional Bulgarian style. The structure is solid, with characterful details and plenty of room for imagination. While some modernization may be needed, it's clear this home has good bones and a layout that will suit either a holiday retreat or a long-term residence. Inside, you'll find multiple rooms that could easily be turned into comfortable living spaces, guest rooms, or even a remote work studio. The garden is generous, flat, and filled with potential. Whether you want to grow your own vegetables, start a mini orchard, or create a colorful flower garden, there's space for it here. And if entertaining is more your thing, picture building a summer kitchen, adding a barbecue area, or even placing a small plunge pool with a view of the hills behind you. The outdoor space is not just an addition, it's an extension of the lifestyle you're buying into. And location really matters here. Zahari Stoyanovo is a small, traditional village with all the charm you'd expect. It's peaceful, quiet, and dotted with other character homes, some of which have already been renovated by buyers from all over Europe. The village has a welcoming feel, with friendly neighbors and an unhurried rhythm of life. Yet it's not too far from larger towns where you'll find everything you need: shops, restaurants, hospitals, and travel links. Access to the property is good, with proper road connections. Utilities such as electricity and water are already present, and the garden is partially enclosed, giving you privacy while still feeling open to the surroundings. The combination of the hilltop scenery, the traditional layout, and the development potential makes this a smart investment, whether you plan to renovate it all at once or improve it slowly over time. And here's something important. The property is listed and supported by Nyama Problemi Limited, a fully licensed building and real estate company based in Popovo. This team specializes in helping international buyers like you navigate the entire process. From legal guidance and paperwork to repairs, renovations, and even long-term property care, they are your eyes, ears, and hands on the ground in Bulgaria. They also understand the differences between European and non-European buyers and can advise you accordingly. Whether you're buying as an EU citizen or from the UK, USA, or beyond, they will ensure your purchase is smooth, legal, and fully protected. That's the peace of mind you want when buying property abroad. The property is currently available to view through 2 of Bulgaria's most trusted real estate platforms: www.bg.house and www.bulgarianproperties.co.uk. Both sites are packed with listings, buyer guides, and information about the surrounding regions. You can also download their mobile apps for both Android and Apple to explore properties from your phone, wherever you are. If this Zahari Stoyanovo property is speaking to you, if you're imagining yourself sipping coffee on a terrace with hill views, planting fruit trees in your garden, or just enjoying the fresh air, then don't wait too long. Rural homes with this kind of potential are becoming increasingly popular, especially those under €25,000. For just €22,000, you're not just buying a property, you're buying a slower lifestyle, fresh air, real land, and a connection to nature that's hard to find these days. Whether you're looking for a quiet escape, a summer base in Europe, or a long-term move, this Bulgarian property offers a solid foundation and a stunning location to make it your own. You can call Nyama Problemi Limited now at +359 879 876 653 or +359 876 711 319, or simply email sales at BG House for more details. Ask your questions, request more photos, or even schedule a live or virtual viewing. We are friendly, professional, and ready to help make this move as smooth as possible. Thank you for listening. And if you'd like to explore more rural gems in Bulgaria, don't forget to subscribe or follow BG House at a Bulgarian Property for Sale, your place for honest walkthroughs, fresh listings, and expert advice on real estate in the Bulgarian countryside. Your peaceful life between the hills could be just a phone call away. Okay, so here comes my song. Let us know what you think.